the cement industry and each of those participants, the cement companies themselves, been very aggressive in lowering their carbon emissions. In many instances, they've been very successful. They're looking at fuel substitutions, and they're looking at, putting PLC, Portland limestone cement, which reduces the carbon dramatically. And so those are all going to continue. Now, I understand that the present administration is not as worried about climate change and all that as, say, the previous administration is. But it seems to me that the industry is still very much committed to it. Now, perhaps that's because many of them are foreign-owned, European-owned, and they haven't taken that step back. So I think that's a constant. It may not have just as much of an attention from the administration, but that's a constant. Here is an issue, though. In my mind, if you look at where they go green, they have all these, materials and material substitution and fuel substitution. If you look at the end of the day, in order for them to meet their goals, carbon neutrality, you're going to have to see carbon capture. Extremely expensive. Also, you got to require pipelines that go into that. It's really just the testing on that for a cement plant are really only ongoing now. I think we have the first plant going in. But there's a question whether you can get the technology and the pipeline all working in time for that 2050 carbon neutrality. That's the biggest question I have.